The Nubia Z60 Ultra is a premium smartphone designed to deliver a superior user experience through its cutting-edge features and sleek design. With its state-of-the-art technology and exceptional performance, this device offers an unparalleled level of functionality that is sure to impress both business professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. At the core of the Nubia Z60 Ultra is its powerful processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and faster processing speeds for all your daily tasks. This allows users to effortlessly navigate through various applications, stream HD videos, and play graphics-intensive games without experiencing any lag or performance issues. The stunning AMOLED display of the Nubia Z60 Ultra provides an immersive visual experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're watching multimedia content, browsing the web, or working on detailed documents, this smartphone will offer you an unmatched level of visual clarity and depth. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Nubia Z60 Ultra's cutting-edge camera system. Equipped with high-resolution lenses and advanced imaging software, this smartphone allows you to capture professional-grade photos and record videos with exceptional clarity and color accuracy. The wide range of camera features and shooting modes ensure that you can unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking shots in any lighting condition. In addition to its impressive hardware, the Nubia Z60 Ultra also offers a seamless user interface, thanks to its intuitive operating system. With its user-friendly interface and customizable features, this smartphone enables you to personalize your device to suit your unique preferences and needs. The device also provides enhanced security features, such as fingerprint recognition and facial recognition, ensuring that your data remains protected at all times. The sleek and stylish design of the Nubia Z60 Ultra is another standout feature. With its slim profile and premium materials, this smartphone exudes elegance and sophistication. The ergonomically designed body ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to hold and handle for extended periods without any discomfort. Stay connected and productive throughout the day with the Nubia Z60 Ultra's long-lasting battery life. This smartphone is equipped with a high-capacity battery that can easily power through an entire day of heavy usage. Additionally, the device supports fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly recharge your smartphone when needed. Overall, the Nubia Z60 Ultra is a top-of-the-line smartphone that combines powerful performance, exceptional camera capabilities, stunning visuals, and a user-friendly interface. With its impressive features and premium design, this device is the perfect choice for individuals looking for a high-end smartphone that can meet all their needs and demands. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech reviews and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech content.